Hey Pinners, welcome back to our channel. Today we tackle a key topic, how to make your Pinterest account extra secure. If you value your privacy and want to protect your pins, you've come to the right place. Let's get started on this step-by-step journey to strengthen your Pinterest fortress. First, open your Pinterest app and make sure you're signed into your account. We're getting ready to beef up your security. Access your profile by tapping the saved icon in the lower right corner. Look for the hexagon or settings icon in the upper right corner. Tap it to enter your Pinterest settings. At the next stop, select the settings option. Under settings, find and tap on security. We will be implementing some security upgrades here. Now look for two-factor authentication. Turn this on to add an extra layer of security to your account. Pinterest will ask you to enter your email and password to confirm the stronger security of your account. And there you have it. You have successfully improved the security of your Pinterest account. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Until next time, see you in the next video.